Installation of thermal camera. Step 1. Remove the original auxiliary materials of tripod. Step 2. Install the adapter block. Step 3. Tighten the screws and adjust the camera base. Step 4. Install and secure the camera blackbody installation. Step 1. Remove the original auxiliary materials of tripod. Step 2. Fixed adapter. Step 3. Blackbody installation. Pay attention to the installation direction of the adapter block. Step 4. Power on after installation. And set the blackbody calibration temperature. Elements of installation. The installation height of camera is 2 meters. The installation height of blackbody is 1.8 meters. Installation distance between camera and blackbody, 7 mm. Lens is 3 meters. The tester's forehead should be flush with the blackbody. Draw a line to mark the temperature measurement position. Camera installation should be in the right direction of personnel flow.